Alright, good morning guys. It is April 21st, I believe, 20th. This morning, you guys, Emily and I, we're gonna go continue on that project with the steps and pavers. So I'm gonna back my truck up. We gotta load stuff up and then we'll head over there. Yeah, you have to push it. I think I talked about it before, but with the virus and everything going on, I guess we did have to lay off a couple people, but we brought back Emily and Ashley to help with the landscaping and everything. And so now we are structuring the business differently. And so lately it's just been the stress level hasn't been bad, you guys, just because I'm out in the field with Emily, and payroll's not, we don't have much payroll, and so we're saving quite a bit, but I'm a little busier. So, but this year it's not about the growth, it's about the bottom line. And so we're gonna try to grow that bottom line this year and pay stuff off and make it a little less stress, you know. And so that is the plan. So that just means more footage of landscaping, lawn care, which is good. But we're not, at this moment, you guys, we're not going to hire any more people unless we really need to. Or should I say, bring the other ones back that we let go. So that is the so go ahead, hop into the skid. So Emily's full week with us. This is her second week landscaping. So okay, remember the code or 4? Okay, so she's been doing landscaping with me for the week, last week, and this is her second week, so she's picking up quickly. And then hit the green button.
I have to like relearn.
Okay, now you want to push this, the attachment. Which one's attached one? Is there an attachment one? Right here.
I don't know, this is up.
Yep, hit it up. We'll take that off. Okay, now bend it a little bit. Push away, yep. Stop. There you go, okay. Yep. Okay, good. Have her load the sand. You gotta learn sometime. Emily! go. Okay. Now, as you move forward, you bend that back. Okay, oh, go back. There you go. Now go ahead, lock it. Okay. Everybody starts with me. They learn down here. I know it's taking some time, you know, like it's a slow process. But they eventually will learn. Yes, when you raise this arm, you'll notice this bucket will come up. Okay. So you'll have to like tap this bucket down so it's even. Okay.
As I drive forward.
What's that?
Do I get closer and then raise it, or start raising it now?
Nope, when you get close, raise it. But then don't bring the arm down when you dump it. Just use this to tip.
Okay.
Yeah, just go up there and just swing sharp turn. Yep. There you go. Raise your arm up a little bit. Okay, tap that bucket. You got to tip the bucket. Yep. Raise your arm up. Okay, tip your bucket up. Backward. Okay, down.
Was it?
Good.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's head over and hook up the trailer. Yeah. So everybody's got to learn. You guys got to be patient with people when it comes to learning. And so I know Emily will pick it up. Ashley pick it up. They're quick learners. So, all right, guys. So we are here on location. We packed the base. Now we got the inch bar conduit bars in there, and now we put the sand on top, and we're going to scrape this and get it prepped for the pavers.